I came to know what a country is when I was in Kenya. So, and my word of advice will go like a little bit of a story. So listen keenly, I don't have much time. If you go to maybe Kenyatta Hospital now, you'll find people in the ICU. The only prayer is that if God will grant them a minute or two so that they see tomorrow. There are some cancer patients there. The only prayer for them is if there are also countries in the same ICU or political arena. You might differ politically. All of you can have different opinions, but don't lose your country. Don't lose your country. I pray that you understand. You can differ, but your country is number one. Because I will give you an example. In my place, there are some places now I cannot visit, otherwise I will be dead. Why? Because we don't have peace. So let peace be your priority. All those politicians will come and go, but Kenya will still be a country. So your brother here can benefit, but benefiting of your brother cannot mean you will be subjected to poverty. So unite as one, you are all one people, despite all those differences. So don't lose your country, it's the message of today. Thank you.